Hello viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Wiz Note on Linux Mint 3. Wiz Note is a note software. It is designed for internet users and mobile internet users, and then Wiz Note focuses more on knowledge of rabbit collection, management, reading and sharing, and many more. Okay, now let us see how to install Wiz Note on Linux Mint 3. Now here first of all we have to add the repository of Wiz Note by using PPA. Just enter to continue. Then we have to update the system repository by using apt-get command. The update is complete now. Then finally we have to install the Wiz Note application. Now the installation successfully completed. Now we have to open the Linux Mint menu. Here we have to type Wiz Note. Now here Wiz Note application shown on the screen. Now we have to open this application. Now here we can see login page of Wiz Note. Here we have to give email address and password. Then we have to click login. Now here we can see Wiz Note application. Now we can able to use the Wiz Note application. Then here we have to check the version of Wiz Note. The version of Wiz Note 2.3.2. Thus you have seen how to install Wiz Note on Linux Mint 3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxscape. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscape.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxscape.com.